Python list data type. Lists are the most versatile of Python's compound data types. A list contains items separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. To some extent, lists are similar to arrays in C or C++. One difference between them is that all the items belonging to a list can be of different data types. The values stored in a list can be accessed using the slice operator, which are the open and close bracket and the open colon and close bracket, with indices starting at 0 in the beginning of the list and working their way to end -1. The plus sign is the list concatenation operator, and the asterisk sign is the repetition operator. It's some kind of similar with the strings. So let's begin by creating our first lists Python script. There you go. Click done and user scripts. Let's save it for future use. So don't forget again our shebang line. /bin/python. So let's create a data type list and assign values for it. Let's say list is equal to open bracket quotation, let's say A, B, C, D, and closing quotation, comma, space 786, comma, 2.23, comma, let's say John, which is also a string, and comma 70.2, and then your bracket. So you can assign different data types on a list. And let's create let's say a tiny list. Space equal to bracket 1, 2, 3, comma, and John string. There, let's say we wanted to print list. Let's see what's gonna happen here. This should actually print complete list. So let's try it. Run the program. See? So we printed the complete list. Let's say I want to print the first element of the list. Print list. Just like our string, we have bracket index 0, square bracket closing, and this will print first element of the list. Let's try it. There, you get an A, B, C, D. So that's the first element. And the second element is going to be 786. Let's try it. Print list 1. So let's say print second element of the list. Let's go ahead and try it. Run it. See? So you have a 786, that's the second element. Now we wanted to print elements starting from second till third. So how do we do it? Let's do print list bracket. The second element is going to be 1 colon 3 bracket. Let's put a comment on this one. Print element starting from second till third. Let's run this program, and there it goes. From second to the third, 0, 1, 2, 3. It won't print the John because it's the third element, so it's gonna print 786 and 2.23 and until third, so it's not gonna print the third line, the third list. So let's say we wanted to print second until fourth. So let's give it a try. So that we want to print John. List bracket. The second element is 1 till fourth, so that we can print John. So print elements starting from second till fourth. Let's try it. Done. There you go. So you have 786, 2.23, and the string John. If I wanted to print elements starting from third until it gets printed, so let's try it by printing, let's say print list 1 up third element, I'm sorry, so 2 colon bracket. So this prints elements starting from third element. Let's try to run this code. There you go. So it printed from starting the third element, which is a 0, 1, 2, it's 2.23 until the list is finished. Now we wanted to print list 2 times. Let's say we wanted to print list 2 times. Let's make use of our tiny list for that one because it's small. So print tiny list asterisk 2. So print list 2 times. Let's try it. There. So tiny list here, tiny list is equal to a list of 1, 2, 3 and John, and our output is 1, 2, 3 John and 1, 2, 3 John. So it was printed 2 times. Let's say we want to concatenate 2 lists. So let's try print list space plus space the tiny list. this is gonna be it prints concatenated lists. Let's try to run this code, and there you go. So A, B, C, D, 786, 2.23, John, and 70.2, and concatenated with the tiny list, which is 1, 2, 3, and John. So that's how you manipulate Python lists data type.
Please subscribe and thank you for watching. Tune in for more videos.